In case you need to change the smart bar, in this video you will learn how to do it. Set the bike up on a stand to keep it stable. Please take off the battery for safety precaution. Loosen the screw for the grip using a 3mm Allen key. Pull it out and use the 5mm Allen key to loosen the brake lever. Pull it out completely. Do the same on the other side. With all the grip and brake levers out of the way, it is time to remove the handlebar. Take off the plug on the smart bar. Use the 5mm Allen key to remove the hanger screw. Don't lose it. Loosen the two side screws using the 3mm Allen key, but don't remove them. Just loosen them to a point where you can pull the smart bar up. The next step is to pull up the smart bar, but be careful. There are two cables connected inside, so pull it gently. Remove the C-ring and keep it for installation. Pull the cable out gently until you see the connector. Disconnect the two cables. And now you have uninstalled your smart bar. To install the smart bar, find the two cable connectors from the head tube and another two from the smart bar. Connect them with matching colors. One set is green, and the other is blue. Make sure you connect them gently and don't break the metal pins inside the connector. Once the connection is secured, stash the connectors back inside the head tube snugly so that they move freely inside. Now, put back the C-ring. And then put the smart bar on top of the connector. Be careful with the cables so that they're not caught between the smart bar and the head tube. Now, back to the top of the smart bar. Put back the big screw, but tighten it just enough, not too much, or the smart bar may not move freely anymore. Now, put back the plug in a position so that the protrusion on its rim fits right into this little dent here. Finally, hold the front wheel between your legs and adjust the handlebar so the handlebar is perpendicular to the front wheel. Then, tighten the two side screws. Now, let's put back the brake and the grip. Slide them in toward the middle, one by one. Then, adjust the brake levers to a proper angle before fastening them and the grips down. Use the 3mm Allen key for the grips and the 5mm one for the brake levers. Now, the smart bar replacement is all done. Put back the battery, activate it with the app, then you can enjoy riding again.